Hello students. Today's learning topic is convection, radiation, sea breeze and land breeze and types of clothes. Okay? First point is convection. Convection is the process by which heat is transferred in liquid and gaseous form, the hotter part to the colder part. Example of convection is boiling water. Okay, and the transfer of energy in a liquid or gaseous form. When part of a gas or liquid is heated, the particles move faster and spread out more. Okay. Next, activity. Take some water in a round bottom flask. Keep it on a tripod stand. Put crystal of potassium permanate in it. Heat it with a burner. The water at the bottom become hot and rise up, and cool water from the top moves down. This water becomes hot and rise up, and cold water from the top moves down, and the process continues till all the water gets heated. This shows that heat is transferred by convection. Okay, procedure. This one is a procedure. Now, observation. When violet color water is heated, the color water near the flame get hot, and hot water rise up. Hot water rise up. To take place of that hot water, the cold water from the side moves down towards the source of heat. This water also gets hot and rise, and water from the sides moves down. Due to the violet color currents of the water going down and down can be clearly visible. This process continues till the whole water gets heated. After some time, whole water turn into the violet color. Okay. Now, conclusion. Heat is transferred in water by convection. Okay. Next, activity. To show that air above the flame gets heated by convection. Material, candle and stand. Procedure. Put a candle on a stand. Okay. Light the candle. Keep your one hand above the flame carefully at the safe distance from the flame, so that it does not get burned, and another hand on the side of the flame. See the figure. Do your hands feel equally hot? Yes or no? Observation. The hand above the flame feels hotter than the hand on the side. Okay. Conclusion. The air above the flame gets heated by convection, while convection does not occurs on the side. Okay. Next is sea breeze. During the day, the land get heated faster than sea, so the warm air above the land get heated, become hotter and rise up, and cooler air from the sea moves toward the land. This process is called a sea breeze. Okay. Next is land breeze. During the night, sea cools down slowly, than the land, so hot air above the rise up and cold air from the land moves toward the sea. This process is called land breeze. Okay. Next point is radiation. Radiation is the process by which heat is transferred from one place to another without the help of any medium. Medium like air, water, etc. type of medium are not required by radiation process. Okay. Examples of radiations. The heat from the sun reach the earth by radiations. And another examples of radiations, you can feel the sun warm your skin on the sunny days. Yes, now that's why another people advise to use an umbrella. Yes. Now another examples of radiations, when we sit in front of a heater room, we get heat by this process. Yes, a hot utensils kept away from the flame cools down as it transfers heat to the surrounding by radiations, and our body to also gives heat to the surroundings and receive the heats from it by radiations. Yes, this process is known as a radiations. Okay. Next point is behavior of colors. Dark color absorbs maximum amount of heat energy than light color, and black color absorb maximum amount of heat energy. For example, take two identical tin cans, okay, and paint the outer surface, one of can black and another can white. Okay. When the paints become dry, pour equal amount of water in each and leave them in the midday sun for about an hours. Okay. And then measure the temperature of water in both the can. Okay. And observation, the temperature of water in the black can is more than that of the water in the white can. Okay, and conclusion, the black colored object absorb more heat than a white object. Okay. Next point is types of clothes. Woolen clothes keep us warm in winter, and cotton clothes keep us calm in summer. Woolen clothes keep us warm during winter because wool is poor conductor of heat and it has air trapped in between the fibers. Okay, and cotton clothes keep us calm in summer because dark colored object absorb radiation better than light colored objects. This is the reason why we feel more comfortable in cotton clothes in summer. Okay.